So hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we have some surprise for you all. So we had been to Andaman in December for our second honeymoon. So Dias had recorded so many vlogs there. So today we have that for you. He is already editing for you all. So hope you all will enjoy it.
So today, so I couldn't go to the gym for a few days, my Goals gym. So I go to Goals gym. So my personal trainer makes me do a lot of workout. So I'm not doing workout in this trip. So finally, I have an option now. I'll be walking 45 minutes treadmill. When I say treadmill, it's going to be a walk from here, 45 minutes. And from then on, it's going to be trekking type. So I think it will cover up mountain climbing and all those stuff. So moreover, it will be like a natural type of gymming today. I hope once I get back to Bangalore, I will lose some weight. So we will try to cover a lot of places and the routes, and this is something new for me. I've never gone through the jungles and I'm not used to it being in the city. So I will try my best to cope up. Let's see if I have the stamina to reach till the cave. Okay, so we are going to what are we going?
To the waterfall.
Okay, we're going to a waterfall before going to the cave. Okay. Oh, we have dog.
They will do nothing. We can go by the side.
Okay, this is a typical village. I mean, this is a jungle village, right? It's a typical jungle village. This is a lifestyle over here. Mowgli! So this is the waterfalls over here. Small waterfalls inside the jungle. So my brother-in-law is planning to dive into this jungle water. Okay? Ready? I mean, I can never do this stuff. I don't know swimming also. The Mowgli jump from here. Ready? Ready? Go! Okay, now let's continue finding the way to the cave. Okay, it's been a long time walking. You can see the sweat. So this type of sweat you won't even get in the gym. And very good oxygen also. So I'm able to breathe. And yes, my stamina is built now going to the gym. Okay, so I think we have a bridge over here which we have to pass. I mean, I think it's gonna be difficult for me. First you, yeah, one by one, yeah.
Yeah, go ahead, dice.
Okay. First time.
Water to be clean and sharp.
Okay. Finally.
Ginger at a
Come on, he's coming without holding. Yes, prior experience of trekking. Come on, boy. Alright, so from here, the path is not much seen. We have to go inside the dense forest right now. Okay. It's a lifetime experience for me when I've never tried this type of. I normally don't even go for trekking, but this is jungle trekking, guys. Oh my god. But how far is it? 10 minutes walk. Oh my god, almost it's 30 minutes done. More 10 minutes. Okay, so we have found another route, plan B. So we are trying to identify if this is the right route for the cave. Hopefully it's the right way. We don't get stuck up in the forest whole day. I think I would have burned around 2000 calories by now. But the air is so fresh over here that you're able to breathe it. Now you don't feel much tired.
अभी तुमको तो धक्का ही मार देगा सांड
This is crazy. This is crazy. मिला मस्त मिला. Okay, so we are done with the India Gate cave. Now we are going towards the limestone cave. This is the exact tourist spot where people will come in boat and then walk through this way. So the way is a little bit clear because no tourist has come. It has become a little bit dirty, like due to all the leaves here. So it's written here, limestone cave is 0.5 kilometer away. So we have to climb down right now. I don't know how they will find the ways in the forest. Even in Bangalore with Google Maps, we can't find proper routes. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, so when this have some rocks entrance. Pakka I would have lost some 2-3 kgs today.
Not that easily.
We need to have our lunch also. Here we have some steps at least, which is planned properly for the cave entrance. Okay. So this was the tourist place where everyone used to come and sit over here. So you used to get lemon juice and everything here. Now because of lockdown, it's almost been a year. There's no tourists, so automatically you can see full leaves and stuff. The place has been a barren land type. Okay. Now let's continue the journey. So this is how. Okay, we have some information over here.
यहाँ पर देखिएगा गुफाओं का उपति मतलब गुफा रहने का जगह आपका.
Okay.
ठीक है. ये लाइमस्टोन के स्टैलेक्टाइट्स जो भी है यहाँ पर देखिए, आप जितने भी आप पढ़ सकते हैं यहाँ पर पढ़ सकते हैं.
Okay.
यहाँ में जितने भी केव्स है ना, एक्चुअली आपका उत्तर प्रदेश में आपका रहता है. यहाँ पर
अच्छा.
जितने भी ठंडा इलाका है आपका, वहाँ पर केव आपका पाया जाता है. कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट से बना हुआ पत्थर है.
हाँ हाँ.
ये बनने का कारण आपका सनलाइट और रेनिंग वाटर के कारण ये सभी डेड हो चुका है. इसमें जितनी भी सनलाइट पड़ेगी और रेनिंग वाटर गिरेगी, डेड हो जाएगी.
Okay.
अंदर वाला जितनी व्हाइटनेस में दिखेगी आपका वो एक्टिव रहेगी.
हाँ.
एक्टिव और डेड मतलब एक्टिव मीन्स आपका व्हाइटनेस में नजर आएगी, डेड मतलब आपका ब्लैकनेस में नजर आएगी. जैसा ऐसे ही है. Okay.
It did, eh?
So active stones will be white color. The formation is keep of the limestone. One of the important part of the quality in limestone cave that is ये वहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है ये आपका ये कलर है वॉटमेंट के बारे में लिखा हुआ है
Okay.
एक हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट है एक आपका इंग्लिश में कहाँ से
Within the caves. The road is within the caves right now.
120 मीटर 120 मीटर
120 meters walk to the caves from the boat side. But we came through the forest.
ये ट्रॉपिकल रेनफॉरेस्ट
Okay, it's a tropical rainforest.
सर मुझे भी नहीं यहाँ पर देख पाएंगे दिस इज सीरियस लोटस
Oh, lotus stem.
या
Oh,
ये देखिए 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 इधर
oh lotus shape.
Down shape bulb.
सीरियस लोटस
ये water से form हो गया क्या?
कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट है
Carbonate.
CO2 plus H2O and CO3 कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट
Lotus.
This is one of the pure water, groundwater. It's very transparent if you see. You can see a fish also, right? It's pure water, very pure.
Purest than this.
I think it's purest than Bisleri water. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you liked this video, and we also have few other videos from Andaman from different locations. So I'll be definitely sharing once I edit.
Tomorrow is a Mother Day, so we hope that you guys also planning something for your mom, and we are also planning. So we'll meet tomorrow in
For
the
Mother's
special
Day.
in the special occasion of Mother's Day.
So advance happy Mother's Day to all. Bye bye.
Bye bye.